guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel, Megan's Travel Diaries. So, I'm currently here in Patong, Phuket, Thailand. So, for today's video, I will go to Starbucks Cafe on the Hilltop. So, famous siya dito sa Phuket, Thailand. So, yung Starbucks na yun is located siya sa may hills. So, makikita niyo mamaya. But first, I will travel going to my friend. Kasi malapit siya doon sa may hilltop. So, magta-travel muna ako pupunta doon. So, magbubook na ako ng taxi. Puntahan muna siya and then magmamotor kami papunta doon sa may hilltop. So, that's the famous Starbucks in Phuket, Thailand. Yeah, one of the famous Starbucks. Kasi located siya sa may hillside. So, mamaya makikita niyo yung view. Okay, guys? Ayan guys, here na me. So with my friend. Yeah, hi. Ayan, magmamotor kami guys. Ang init. So, ayan, motor ulit. After ng taxi, ang layo ng... Hey guys. Okay, go na. Wow guys, seaside. Nakakot guys. Nakarating na kami. Mag-ano lang yung friend ko, pa-park ng motorbike. I think meron pang car papunta sa taas. Yeah. Ayun siya, nagpa-park. Ba yan? Ang gulo ng buhok. Yeah, I think we need to get a car.
Ito na ba?
Oo. Haggard. Okay guys, wait lang. Mag-ayos lang kami. May muna sila before maka
And a little bit
Per person?
Yeah, per person.
What if we cannot use everything?
But we cannot refund money for you, madam.
500 baht. It's fine, 500 baht.
Oh, pero all in na.
Unlimited, right?
Pardon?
Unlimited?
No,
500.
From the town, right? Oh, maybe this one?
500 baht. Free drinks or?
Yeah, free drink.
Everything 500.
Yeah, maximum for you per one ticket is 500 baht.
How many drinks? Like
Maybe you can
Anything.
spend for the 2 drink or 3 drink.
Oh wow, really? Oh.
Okay. And then you'll bring me upstairs?
Yeah, from the
Can I take
pickup.
video, right?
Oh, yeah.
Fine.
It's free?
So yan guys,
And
merong VIP 3,000 and then
from the another
500
price
baht
is
per
3,000 baht for the table in front, or this one get a full sea view. Like
Explain
you see
it.
the picture. Per one table, maximum 4 people is 3,000 baht.
Oh, just we
Okay.
can stay here, right?
Yep, you can. And for the normal price, this one, right? You can walking everywhere you need it and take a photo from the first line, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
We can still walk around.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
For two people, it's 1,000 baht, huh?
Ikaw mo na mag-ano? Ano? So, ayan guys. Meron pa siyang service. papunta sa taas.
Okay, you would like to pay with CAD or credit card?
Stand.
Scan, right? Okay.
500 baht per person and pwede kang uminom ng ano, ng 2 to 3 drinks. Yeah. So, worth it naman siya. So yan guys, worth it siya kasi ano, tignan mo, worth it yung paghihintay ng ano, ng service papunta sa taas because tignan niyo yung view, right? So we are waiting for the transportation, yeah, the service going up, like a cart, maybe like that or maybe like this, I don't know. So ayan yung ano, bubungad sa inyo bago kayo ano, umakyat. So, parang ano, reception area. So, dito magbabayad. And guys, ito siya guys. Yung ano, service. Okay.
Ba't sa kanila? Wala ka mo mapibidyo dyan.
Init. Ate.
Hi.
Kaya nga, oh my god. It's going up. Wow. Ayun siya. Wow. Okay.
Bakit di ba gano'n dito ang picture?
So, yun yung name ng ano, ng cafe, Hilltop. Pero ano siya, Starbucks. Yeah, meron siyang part ng Starbucks. Guys, yung 500 pala, yun lang yung minimum. Minimum ba? Maximum? Yeah. 500 baht lang yung pwede mong gastusin. Akala ko unlimited. So, it depends na lang sa drinks na order. I mean, yun yung minimum pala ng ano, yung 500 baht na coupon, yun yung minimum na pwedeng gastusin. So, meron siyang ano dito, guys. Wow. Look at that view. Guys, kung gusto niyo yung mag-coffee sa Starbucks, dito na kayo pumunta sa may Hilltop Cafe. Sulit ang view, promise. Instagrammable. And guys, wow, grabe ang view. Wow, diba?
Grabe ang view. Solid ang view.
Solid ang view. Okay, let's go.
Mag-picture.
Ayun guys. Hi. Wow. Ganda. Ganda ng view guys. Oh my god.
Dito na lang baka.
Dito ka? Ayaw mo doon?
May, ano daw, may
Cannot?
sun.
Can,
Hindi,
can sitting for the second and third. But for
second
now,
and third lang.
Second and third. But we can go down. No?
But for the first cannot always the middle.
Only the middle.
The last one.
Oh, the last one. Ayaw mo doon?
Ano yan, ang tagon, hindi mo naman magbigubat.
Ang ganda kaya doon.
Maganda.
But we can go there, right? Ayun guys, mag-order muna kami.
Coffee from Starbucks.
So, yung minimum is 500 baht. Yung ano.
You can order
Hindi pala
together
unlimited.
coffee and food minimum 1,000 baht. And we have this
Ah.
inside also.
So this is for Starbucks only?
No, with hotel also, with food from hotel also.
So 1,000 everything?
Everything for 1,000.
Yeah.
baka,
500 per person.
hindi siya per
And you
person.
pay together, right? You pay
Yeah,
together.
yeah. So it's okay.
Okay.
Oh,
And we
pwede
have
siya.
different
1,000 per person?
Hindi. 1,000 lahat. Magagastos na.
Ayun guys, see? It's Starbucks. So, napaka famous ng na to, cafe kasi as you can see. Wow. Yeah, mag-order muna kami ni ate and then I will tour you around. Ayun guys, pwede rin sa food. Basta 1,000 lang yung minimum na pwedeng i-order kasi nga yung namin 500 per coupon.
Ay, pizza?
Kain na tayo sa labas. Hindi na tayo drinks.
Hindi natin maubos to.
Ha?
Hindi natin maubos.
Dalawa naman, di ba? Coffee and then one coffee and then
Sobra pa rin.
or lang tayo dessert. Dessert, I mean. Doon na tayo kayo sa labas. Hindi tayo mabubusog dito, promise. Ito, yung ganito. Parang masarap to. Tagisan natin dito tapos
7. Malaki kaya?
270 plus 180. Saktong 500. No?
May sobra pa.
Oh, sobra pa, I mean. Yeah.
Ako, wait lang.
So, yun guys, mag-order muna kami.
Nang worth it na kakainin.
Wow guys, recommend ko tong Starbucks. Napaka worth it.
Ito ba maganda dito?
Para siyang tree house, no?
Area ko yung pinagsaran mo. Ganda niya.
Tree house? Parang siyang tree house. Kasi yung trees.
Vlog ka na. Nag-vlog ka dun sa loob.
Saan?
Sa Starbucks.
Oo naman, dalag ko yun yung cake.
Lugar nga.
Yeah. Can I pour on right? So yan guys, meron din silang toilet. Wow! Ate, here! Wow! Ang social lang toilet nila. Ayun guys, meron silang comfort room. There's comfort room, so ayan, no entry. Prayer room, meron din prayer room for Muslims. Ayan, mag-ano na ako. Hugas ng kamay. Ayan yung outfit ko guys.
Casablanca
And then meron din silang third floor. Third floor talaga. I mean another floor. So here. Can I take it? Parang ano siya guys, bar area. Yeah. So ayan yung ano guys, kabuuan niya. Here. Wow. It's amazing. Ayun guys, sa mga nagbabalak mag-visit. So, just visit this one. So, medyo malayo lang siya from Patong. Pero ano siya, sulit. 'Di ba? Grabe yung view. Wow, as in amazing.
Tayo tayong dalawa doon. Hanap tayo magpipicture sa atin. Tara.
So here na guys, yung in-order namin. Wait lang. Coconut milkshake and then banana cake. Ano sa'yo, te?
Coffee cake.
Coffee and then coffee. So yan guys, kain muna kami and then yeah.
Ano lang yun? Ilang minutes na?
Oh.
Time lapse. Syrup kachat.
Guys, so good. I ordered banana cake and wow. And then
They
coconut.
look good sa... Ang ganda naman ng camera.
Naka sa YouTube.
Ano na? YouTube. I'm doing time lapse as well on my phone. So, say hi to my time lapse.
Timeless talaga. Mag-vlog ka din.
Tamad ako mag-edit, guys. You know, I had like tons of friends who are encouraging me to do vlogs since 2012 because I love traveling, especially in the Philippines.
Guys,
I'm so lazy to edit. So I'd rather, you know, be part of Megan's vlog.
yes. Sa mga mahilig mag-Starbucks dyan, so I recommended this place, right? So sa map, yung pangalan niya is Hilltop Cafe, right? Pero Starbucks siya, guys. Tingnan mo naman yung view, grabe. Oh my God, yung kumakain ka tapos, di ba?
Basta guys, hindi lang umulan.
Nagkakape lang naman ako, pero yung view, charot. Ang drama. Ayan guys, kailan muna kami. Ayan, tapos na kami. We are waiting for the service going down.
Nakaharap pa sa akin.
Hindi. Nakaharap sa atin. Yeah.
Hi guys, so
Busog na si
we're
ate.
full, but we're gonna go after to the mall to
Yeah.
buy something, you know.
Pero hindi ko na ini-vlog, guys.
Oo, alam mo
Yeah.
naman si Megan naghahanap lagi ng pagkakagastusan.
Deserve ko, no? Tiyan. Ayan, guys. Pa-Christmas na. Ano na?
5 minutes.
Hintay lang namin yung service. 5 minutes. Ang sarap nung nung cake.
Sabi ni Sandy, magpakulot daw ako. Sabi ng anak ko.
Let's go. Ate, we're here now. We're here now. Pauwi na, pabalik sa baba. Oy, ate. Ayun, service namin pababa. Same lang. It's the same.
Hi guys.
Oh my God. Ang daming habibi.
Parang habibi nga nandito.
Let's go. Ayun guys, ang daming habibi. Makikita nyo. Pasok lagi.
Hello.
Hi.
جمال شباب بيحرك
سووا له ولد عمتي يعني سووا له سسبند حق اكونت مال سوري سووا حق سسبند حق اكونت مال الانستغرام قالوا بيرمننتلي
Ay, ate, pili ka na. Pili na.
خلينا نركب وياه قدام مكة قدام مكة
خلاص طيب
Pili na guys. Charot. What? I don't know.
I will sit here down. يلا down.
Puro na guys.
Okay, you come now.
Nare-reklamo sila.
Okay. You sit please. عندنا يوتيوب. هرجع الدراجة.
Yung sama namin. Ang daldal. Ayun guys, pabalik na kami. So, magmumall muna kami ni ate. Bye! Grabe. Ang kapal ng purple. Purple ba yun or ano? Dark purple yun.
Baka ano, bag mo. Yung cellphone mo, palabas. Di
Dito
ko
na
alam.
lang, dito na lang din. Hi guys, I just want to say thank you for watching my vlogs and my YouTube channel. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe my channel. And then, yeah, don't forget to hit the notification below. So, bye. Thank you. Ayun guys, bonus video. Diba bonus video tayo? So cute.